Savannah, and today we are going to take a little trip through our taste buds to Brazil. We're going to be making today our Brazilian cheese bread, also known as pão de queijo. One sec. Let's ask Google Translate how to pronounce it.
Pão de queijo.
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 Close enough. So this is a really typical Brazilian snack. Originated back in the 18th century, traditionally baked in a wood-burning stove. The original recipe calls for manioc starch and meia curry cheese. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And the first time I had it was in a Brazilian steakhouse here in New York called Fogo de Chão. And then I was lucky enough to go visit Portugal and I had it there. Amazing. Ever since I came back, I always wanted to find the most authentic recipe, and I think I have found it. So without further ado, let's move on to the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of tapioca flour, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 6 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, 2 eggs, some salt, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella. The very first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Now in a small saucepan, we're gonna combine 1 1/4 cups of milk, half a cup of water, 6 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now we're going to bring this to a boil over medium-high heat. In the meantime, add your 4 cups of tapioca flour into your bowl. So I only have 2 cups of tapioca flour here because I just ran out, but I did read online that you can sub glutinous rice flour for tapioca starch in a 2-to-1 ratio. So now I'm going to add the 1 cup. And right when your milk, oil, and water mixture has boiled, you can add it into your bowl. And now we mix. When the milk is completely mixed in, you can crack your egg one at a time. Fully mixed, we add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1 1/2 cups of Parmesan. And now we just mix everything up together. And it's done. Take your baking tray and line it with some parchment paper. Make sure your hands are wet, so I have a little bowl right here to wet my hands. All you gotta do is scoop out about golf-sized balls into the parchment paper, like so. And now into the oven it goes. Okay, let's see. And now it's gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, the timer's off. Time to get it out. Oh my god! As you can see from the nice glow on my cheek, I am nice and sweaty. They are ready. Taste test. It's super nice and gooey in the center. These are like little cheesy squishies in your mouth. This looks like a simple dinner roll, but it is so addictive. And for today's taste testers, I will be biking to give it to them. Let's go. Ooh, look at those. Thank you.
Remember the times we had, the times that you and me had.
Stop number 1 was a success. Now, on to stop number 2. Look at this cool old-timey mailbox thing. We have arrived.
Thank you. I'm so excited. I wish I could hug you.
Back to regular scheduled program. Please try it out for yourself, and if you do, you can tag me on my Instagram at cookforcooks, or just DM me just to tell me how you like it, because it's so good and you guys have to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see, and stay cheesy and stay kooky. Pão de queijo. Pão de queijo. Pão de queijo. Pão de queijo. I think that's right.